Hi, in this follow-up video on the walking robot I want to focus on the vertical movement of the legs. And last time it turned out that after all the settings this chain wheel was rather loose and this cog wheel was a bit loose as well, with the result that not all the legs were equally up and down after trying to move them. So let's start that to see if they move equally now. And I will do that with the diagnosis interface. Now and I see that one of the legs seem not to move quite correctly, but let's move them the other way around. And this time they seem to move okay, although this wheel seemed to move a bit slow. On the other hand, they are right now horizontal, and the further the front moves, front legs are not horizontal anymore, neither are these. So let's check more and let's move them the other way around again. And yet again this one is moving slowly, or slower than the others. However, if I check these legs, then this one is quite down. These two are somewhat above the middle, and here these are quite down, and this is somewhat above the middle. So that looks like it is quite okay. They're equal and there's no difference. So let's try again. And yes, they look like moving exactly in the same way. So it looks like that the gearing problem of the cogwheel is okay. And with this gear problem solved, as it looks like, it is time for yet another floor test to see if the gear is strong enough to carry the weight when I change the legs, as I've done right now, but then on the floor. So let's see how that works out. And after putting it on the floor, it immediately failed the floor test because the legs weren't completely against the lower part of the rig, and it went through its feet or legs. So this means that something in the design of the gears has to change in some way to compensate for the legs, or the combination of the weight and the design of the legs in combination with the gear. It went immediately down and it tilts. So much for a floor test with moving legs, and this clearly needs some thinking. So definitely to be continued. Thank you for watching.